Welcome back to Data Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we will start learning the basic of KQL, Kusto Query Language, and step by step, we will explore how query are built and how data flow through them. So let me start with fresh. I am creating new query editor page. Let me click here plus icon. Okay. And just like in SQL, we can write the query interactively. But here the difference, we don't start with select statement. Instead, we begin directly with table name. So here our table name is stock. So let me write here stock first. Instead of writing select, we directly start with data source, which is our table name stock. Okay. Then we can add here pipe operator, just like a vertical bar here. Okay. And then we can write again here like a top. We instead of using top command in SQL, if you compare with SQL, instead of writing here top, we can write here take command. Okay. So take command just like a top or some data cases limit. Okay. So let me write here take. You can write here 100, then it's written randomly 100 row. If you write here 10, then it's written 10 row in result section. Okay. If you run again, then it's not might get similar result. It might be different. Okay. So it's written randomly row from this table. Okay. Stock table. Now suppose I don't need all column, maybe just want a few specific column. So that's where the project keyword come here. So first write here vertical bar, then write here project keyword. Okay. Then whatever you want to write or select column, you can write after project column. And here is column name is case sensitive. If you write wrong or spell wrong, then it might be get error. Okay. So let me write here, I want to select here date column. After that, let me write here open, then 5. I just want this 3 column and let me run here. Then you can select here only 3 column. And if you want to see all column, then again select or highlight these 2 row and then get all column. Okay. Now if you suppose I want also volume. Okay. You can hit here tab button to auto complete. Okay. And now you can get here volume column. Okay. So what is really happening here? These pipe are the key. Think of pipe as a conveyor belt. The result of one operation like take 10 is passed directly into next operation like project. Okay. This means we can chain the multiple operation together like filter, project, aggregate or sort, and each step simply take the output of previous step and continue from here. Now you might ask, does this order or sequence matter? Like we first write here stock, then take, then project. Of course we always start with table name or data source, but after that the operation can be rearranged. We can write first project, then write take. So let me write here first project. So let me cut and paste after table name. Okay. And now run it. Okay. It still work, but order is flexible, but performance can be changed. Okay. And since KQL uses columnar storage, the performance improve if we reduce data. So in best practice, first start with table name, then write here project, because it's reduce the column, and only select what you want to take column from the table. Then filter, use here filter or limit the row, and finally perform the aggregation and any sorting operation. This way the query engine process less data and your result is very fast. Okay. Now let me quick recap. We start the table name as a data source. Okay. Then we can use here pipe or chain operator. Then we can write here project as to select a specific column. Then we can take here to reduce the return of row. Okay. So take 10 or take 100. Okay. Then return here randomly 100 row. So in our upcoming video, we will learn how to order data and how to aggregate or how to group data, even how to join table. We will also look how to visualize data directly in this KQL database. Okay, which is very powerful. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask using comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.